everyone, my name is Balavan Krishna Prasad. This is my Kaggle Capstone project, the AgriConnect Swarm Intelligence. It's an AI-powered agriculture monitoring platform that uses multiple AI agents, live weather data, and crop intelligence to help the farmers detect the risk early to recover the actionable recommendations. That comes to the problem statement which I have done is, for example, farmers often cannot identify the crop diseases earlier. Weather
Because they much have
changes
ability to
unpredictably.
gather
Many
from the
farmers
internet.
receives
So
the
let's see.
information too late. This thing is language barrier between the farmer from understanding the technical advisor. The small farming lack access to agronomist. So when the AgriConnect addresses the issue by AI agents and analyze the weathers, detects the risk and generates the simple farming advice. So at the specific point, I will explain the clear structural flow of the applications. They are the three agents which I had done. That is, yeah, which is the Sentinel AI and Agromist AI and Outreach AI. Let's talk about the step-by-step. Sentinel AI is like the collection of information of the weather forecasters, detects anomalies, calculate the risk level, and the Agromist agent is like explains why the risk exists, suggests the preventions across the outreach agents, and converts the technical recommendations too. The outreach agents is like the pop-up of the SMS boxes. So this is about the agents, and I will demonstrate in the demonstration I will show you the what is the like yeah what is the features that I had added in the agents. Let me conclude as the point which I had specified. So I had mentioned the default region and the default crop and the live weather modes, simulation modes, draft modes, and blind risk, force risk, risk detection, SMS generation, environmental constructs, summary sections. These features I have demonstrated in the Agri agent. So at some point we can see the demonstration. Okay, let's see the demonstration without late. Yeah, this is my AgriConnect Swarm Intelligence app. I had made this by some of my code technology, and I take the help of the AI agent, some little bit help. Based on that, I created, you can see the default region here, and I specified the default in the prompt only, and the default crop and data resource sensors. For the live hosting, I prefer to choose the railway app, which makes my application smoothly clearly work, and APIs which is helps to render the live outputs researchers and then get the summarization outputs. So let's make a prompt of like statement to give the agent how it will respond, and let's see. Okay, now I'm giving this thing. So what I have given, see here. So analyze the current weather condition of my farm and identify the any environment anomalies, evaluate the risk to my crop, recommend appropriate mitigation measures, and generate the farmer friendly SMS alert, summarize the fineness. So no need of giving the full complete statement of it. The farmers or any knowledgeable, they can give the statement which is they exactly they want. Don't give the full statement, it may consume more time. That is another thing we can discuss later. So let's check whether it works correctly and precisely which the statement is in the live or not. Let's see. Okay, you can see that analyzing request to checking environment. So it's rendering to the API to the internet and then gathering the informations. We need to wait some time. Yeah, here we can see that based on the environment context, it rated the region, crop, sensor, weather, and what is the temperature, everything that can be here. We can see uh, the sending agent which says the weather conditions never highly favorable, so risk level is low, and which the agronomist agent which currently low risk condition never be measure developed highly favorable. So draft SMS for farmers. Here we can see that 30% of weekly. So I mean nutrition issue apply can. This is what we can see. Here the summary about it. at last we can see that region crops. So this is like it works. We are giving the specific details to the environment context, and we are asking according to that. What if we ask does not relate to that? If we ask to relate to does not relate to that, how it would be? Let's see. Here I say that analyze the wait 1 minute. Yeah, coming to here I say I give a statement like this: analyze the current weather in the macros for the my wheat crop. So here the default region is some other and the default crop is other, but and we can see that we are giving the other than the environment context. So based on that I'm giving. So let's see what happened. Okay, yeah, it's analyzing to the rendering with the internet and it's coming to the point. Okay, let's wait for a while. It will render it. Yeah, within 5 seconds it has resolved it. Like the single element, the weather condition in the macro is currently stable and favorable for the weather cultivations. So risk level is low and the message is also drafted. At the final summary we can see that the what the mention we had given. So in the statement we are given this region and the crop also same, and the live weather we asked based if the farmer or any other person has forgotten to give the details to the environment context, no need of worrying about it. We can give at the statement here itself, then it can render with the APIs and give the appropriate and the correct results for the farmers, which makes the wealthy and more stable to communicating with the environment, like we say that mother nature. So this is the working flow of the AgriConnect. Here in this I used to make the TypeScript, React, Node.js, Gemini, Open Metro API like this off, and coming to the final point, the AgriConnect demonstration is like how AI, weather intelligence, and multi-agent systems can provide the practical decisions and support for the farmers and makes the wealth for the agricultural lands and specific scarce lands and some of the lands which are not able to cultivate and what might be weather conditions to make the improvement. This agent can give the correct output, and especially it's the output which is giving the supercalifragilisticexpialidocious of the system sources. I really love it and I really appreciate it. Interest to the real terms, we can find is this output is real or not. We can ask to the Gemini or any AI, or we can ask to the Google. Let me ask you. Yeah, here we go. I'm asking this: is this details are correct? Uh, let's see what the gives, because they much have the ability to get gather from the internet. So let's see. Okay, let's run a slide on data. Keep waiting. Yeah, here we can see it says that yes, the detail and the logic presentation by the agent and highly accurate acknowledgement sound. So this could be the working real and correct process. That's it for the day. So thank you for the Kaggle. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching.